Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have October's Zen Pop box unboxing video for you, and not surprisingly, I'm pretty sure this means the theme is actually Halloween. For some reason I thought September might have been Halloween, but I think it was more autumn related, but this is definitely Halloween theme. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is the QR code if you want to follow along from home. Okay, so we've got a couple pens to try out. I might put them aside. Ooh, like there's a whole set here. I'll put these to try out at the end and we'll review them, but for now, let's get right into this one. Oh, these are sticky notes, stock grid sticky notes, but they're black instead. Oh, there's two types. Alright, let's open this up. So it's like a little, oh, it's so cute. There's like a little booklet, and you've got dot grid, and I think you have actual line grid here. So you've got two types. It is literally like a book, and this part here is sticky. I love this. I wish there was a white version. That would be really cool, but I love this black version as well. I feel like these would be really good as adding accents to like your bullet journals. And then we have some little post-it tags. I love how thin they are. They're so thin. Let's open it up for a little bit of a closer look. I'm not sure if it's very clear, but these containers that it's in is also kind of like a waterproof fabric, like a vinyl, not a vinyl, vellum, that's right, vellum. And you can pick up the tiniest little tags in them. Oh, that's so cute. I'm pretty sure you could pull these off and stick them in your planner as well, but I love these. I don't think I have anything this tiny and thin, and especially so accessible. Oh, look at this. I think these are glow-in-the-dark erasers, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure, especially this one will be glow-in-the-dark. I'm probably not going to be able to test it out on camera because I don't think my camera is going to be able to show up very well, and it's daylight at the moment. Don't quite know if I need a glow-in-the-dark eraser specifically, but these cats are so cute. And then we have some washi tape. This is like kind of a black and white cloud version, and then these are like fountain pen ink bottles. Let me open them up. Okay, here's a better look at them. You can kind of see the pattern. I do like that it's almost like smoke coming out of the bottles, but I think it's more just like ink smoke coming out of some of the bottles. And then you've got the little black and white clouds. Okay, and then we have some stickers. They're like clear flower stickers. Ooh, okay, it's very sunny out today, so hopefully you'll be able to see them without too much glare. But I like how they have the names of all the different flowers: tulip, thistle, rose, mimosa, clover. Okay, maybe not all of them, but quite a few of them. And they're clear for black and deep color paper. Cool. And then I think this is the last sketchbook. Oh, it's a custom Zen Pop sketchbook. That's so cool. So this is a sketchbook, and you can see it is regular sketch paper. It doesn't feel quite, like, it feels pretty thick. I reckon you could watercolor on this and it would be okay if it wasn't too wet, but it's a really nice sketchbook. Alright, let's use this sketchbook and try out those pens. So I've had to turn down the curtains because it was just getting way too glary and shadowing too much, so hopefully it's not too dark. But let's try out this pen first. I think I've tried this particular brand before. This is Pilot. So this is the Pilot Juice Up pen in purple 0.4. It writes so nicely. Oh, it's so smooth. So smooth. I love this. I always wonder why I don't get more of these pens, but then I realized because I have so many pens, I really don't need it, but it's so buttery smooth the way it writes. So this next one I don't think is actually a pen. It just looks like a pen, but it's actually a pen, like it's a blade in the shape of a pen, which is going to be really useful for travel. It does make me wonder whether these would be detected in airport security, because I usually have a tendency to bring little like Stanley like knives like this, not for any reason except when I'm journaling. It's nice to cut washi tape and everything, and it often gets confiscated and I keep forgetting I have them, and then yeah, it's a whole thing. So I usually have to remember to check them in, but I wonder what this one looks like. because it's ceramic, right? Okay, I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to focus. I'll do my best. So we'll do the best we can. Can you see at the very tip this like white blade? Apparently that's ceramic. So this is really good for cutting washi and stuff like that. And you know what? I feel like this should actually make it through airport security because it's not a real blade in that sense, right? Like I couldn't really hurt anyone with it. But it would still serve the purpose of journaling, like cutting up paper and stuff like that. So I might put this in my travel pencil case and just see how we go. But I love how convenient, how small this is. And then the last one are these Kuritake sketching pens. So we have fine, fine gray, extra fine, and you can kind of see the different type of patterns they'll create. Oh, here's an even better one. They're all, okay, dye and pigment, but this is gray, extra fine, and not so fine, or just regular fine. So we'll try them out, but I think this is going to be really great for calligraphy. So let's try this gray one. Oh yeah, I love the oh, sorry, was that blurry? Let's try again. Some pens, if they're felt, they don't bend very nicely to create the thicker strokes. Like it feels kind of awkward, but these ones feel really, really nice. Okay, the fine one is a little more, this is extra fine, a little more challenging. But I think this one, which is just fine, yeah. Fine is actually really easy to use. The extra fine is a little stiffer, but I think that's the whole point of being extra fine. And this is what they look like. This is quite thick paper. It's not regular journaling paper or anything, so there's a little bit of ghosting, but not much. But yeah, that is everything in the October Zen Pop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.